Is the work ethic about the same in both jurisdictions?
I would say so. I think that skilled software developers everywhere are in high demand. And I think that um, in the software development world, there's so many milestones and that you need to meet, and how you're handling your activities, your sprints, how you're updating your team. I do think that there is a good hardworking effort through Latin America, but that I see that often offshore as well. The difference being is when you hit that pivot point of your coding an application and you need to know which way to go, and you don't have instant access to your team to collaborate, that could cause the rest of that work shift to not be as productive, because you're, and in the software development world, there's 1,000 different directions, if not more, you can go with certain code and how you're doing things. And so from that perspective, and not having the ability to collaborate with their US counterparts as easily, that can lead to lower productivity.
Yeah, it's probably not a fair question, but have you been able to empirically support the amount of wasted time that occurs if you're not able to collaborate real time?
I would say that's probably one of the main reasons why companies are choosing to go nearshore or with a company like Sonatafy, is because for their team members in the US, and for their employees and their team members in Latin America that are working with them, they are able to be more productive. And let me expand on that a little bit. The number one challenge US companies have is they have these great, talented, high-priced software developers and engineers. And you got to be careful that you're not burning those people out. Um, in the IT industry, in the software industry, working 12 plus hours a day is normal. But then when you have to start working late nights and you have that overlap, the satisfaction of the US-based software team members, we're seeing increase by very large levels by having that real-time, same time zone collaborative support.